everyone. I'm Koala Teacher from One English Academy, here to help with your homework. It's going to be fun. You'll see. If we go too fast, don't worry. Just hit pause. Take your time and catch up. It's all because if you hold on tight, we'll learn and grow. With every step, the more you'll know. Are you ready? Let's go! Today, we'll be reviewing Lesson 17. What or who in present continuous. 무엇을 하는지에 대한 질문이죠? When we use the question word what, this asks about actions. For example, what am I doing? What are you doing? What is she doing? 무엇을 하고 있냐에 대한 질문이죠? 대답할 때는 we say you are doing your homework. I am making dinner. She is playing the piano. When we use the question word who, this asks about the people doing the actions. 누가 하는지. For example, who is singing? 대답할 때는 Mary is singing. The bird is singing. The girls are singing. If you're ready to get started with your homework, let's go. On page 52, the directions say to look, circle, and write. Number 1. Is cleaning. My mom is cleaning. 우리 답변에 보면 사람이잖아. Number 2. Is dancing. Tom is dancing. 사람이잖아. Who is dancing? 누가 춤추고 있어? Number 3. Are they doing? They are playing baseball. 베이스볼 치고 있어. 사람은 아니잖아. 그러면 무엇을 하고 있냐가 질문이죠? What are they doing? Number 4. Is crying. The babies are crying. 베이비들은 사람이니까 who is crying? Great job. Please check your answers and let's go to the next page. On page 53, the directions say to look and write the question. Number 1, who? The answer says the baby is sleeping. 아기가 자고 있어. 그러면 우리 질문에서는 who is sleeping? Number 2, what? 무엇? They are playing the violins. 우리 질문에서는 what are they playing? 무엇을 하고 있어? What are they doing? And number 3, what? They are building a sandcastle. 똑같이 무엇을 하고 있어? What are they doing? Good. Number 4, who? My brother is drinking milk. 그러면 누가 우유를 마시고 있어? Who is drinking milk? Number 5. What? He is cleaning the house. 무엇을 하고 있어? What is 누구? He doing. Number 6. Who? The girl is reading a book. 누가 책을 읽고 있어? Who is reading a book? Great job. In part 3, we need to look and write the answer. Number 1. Who is reading a book? Mike, be verb, 그리고 동사. Mike is reading a book. Number 2. What is the girl doing? 이 여자 뭐 하고 있지? 그 여자, she is singing. Good. What are the boys doing? The boys는 they죠. They are TV 보고 있다. Watching TV. And number 4. Who is cleaning the house? 우리 엄마. My mom is cleaning the house. Fantastic. Please check your answers and let's go to our last page. On page 54, we will be reviewing Lesson 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. we need to look and write the correct form of the verb. Do, 하다. He, homework every day. 매일 습관으로 하니까 동사에서 es 또는 ies 붙여야 돼. He does homework every day. Number 2, walk. She, to work. She drives every day. 걸어가지를 않고 운전을 해. She does plus not, doesn't walk to work. Number 3, live, 살다. They in an apartment? Yes, they do. Here's our big hint. Do they live in an apartment? Great. And number 4, our verb is read. She, now. She's watching TV. TV를 보고 있어. 책 안 읽고. So this will be a negative. She, be verb는 is plus not contraction. She isn't. 지금 하고 있으니까 우리 동사에서 ing 붙여야 돼요. She isn't reading now. Number 5, write, 쓰다. He, now. He's singing. 이것도 negative이네. 지금 하고 있으니까 ing를 붙여야 되는데 our verb ends in an E. Mr. E한테 bye bye 하고 ing 붙여야 되죠? He isn't writing now. He's singing. And number 6, play. They, basketball now. 지금 하고 있잖아. 그러면 they be verb are play에서 ing 붙여서 they are playing basketball now. Great. In our last part, we need to read and circle. Computers are expensive 또는 more expensive than cameras. 우리 비교하고 있네. Computers랑 cameras들을 비교하니까 more expensive. Remember, expensive는 3 syllables이라서 more 사용해야 돼. 지금에 대한 질문이고 동사에 ing가 붙여 있으니까 be verb가 먼저 나와야죠. Is he reading a newspaper now? Number 3, are 또는 do they go shopping on Sundays? 일요일마다 습관으로. 그러면 지금 아니라서 ing를 안 사용할게요. ing를 안 사용하니까 be verb는 먼저 안 나오고 do they go shopping on Sundays? Number 4, what 또는 who is eating ice cream? 무엇 아니면 누가? Good. 누가 지금 아이스크림을 먹고 있어? Number 5, what 또는 who is your dad doing now? 무엇을 하고 있는지에 대한 질문이라서 What is your dad doing now? And our last question, number 6. What 또는 who are the boys doing now? 무엇을 하고 있는지에 대한 질문이라서 What are the boys doing now? Great job. Please check your answers and stay for our review game. In our review, ready to play? We will be reviewing our who and what present continuous. Remember, who is for 누가, what is for 무엇. Let's go with number 8. Who, The girl is reading a book. So what is our question? 누가 책을 읽고 있어? Who is reading a book? Very good. Number 2. What 또는 who, what 또는 who is dancing? Tom is dancing. 사람이라서 who is dancing? Number 4. What 또는 who is eating ice cream? 누가 먹고 있어? Good. Who is eating ice cream? Number 6. What 또는 who is your dad doing now? Doing now. 무엇을 하고 있냐? What is your dad doing now? Number 1. Who, The baby is sleeping. What's our question? Great! Who is sleeping? Number 5. What, They are playing the violins. What's our question? What are they 하고 있냐? Doing. Good. Number 7. What? They are building a sandcastle. What are they doing? Number 3. What 또는 who is crying? The babies are crying. Do we use what or who? Good! Who is crying?
And our last question.
What? He is cleaning the house. What is he doing? Fantastic! 115 points! You did an awesome job today. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work. You know what to do. I hope you'll miss me and be ready to play. Koala Teacher will see you in the next video, okay?